To order your Three Rivers College course materials, go to collegestore.trcc.edu and click on My Account in the top right-hand corner to log in. If you have checked out course materials before, but do not know your password, click Forgot Your Password to have it reset. If you receive an error message, email address not found, you'll need to create an account. To create an account, click Register Here, then click Create Profile for browsing and shopping. Fill out the required information to create your account. Please use your student email address and do not use a P.O. box as your shipping address, since UPS will not deliver to P.O. boxes. Either way, you must be logged into your account before placing your order. Once you have logged into your account, click on the Textbooks tab. Find the Order Online option, then click Shop Now. Under Search by Course, select the current term, then referring to your course schedule, select a department and course section from the drop-down menus. After adding your first course, another line will be added automatically so you can continue adding all the courses you are registered for. Be sure to select the correct sections, as course materials for a web section may differ from the face-to-face section requirements. After you've added all your courses to the list, click View Your Materials. You'll see a header for each of your courses, and the available course materials for each listed underneath. Take note of whether an item is required or optional. Most required course materials will be no cost at checkout and will have no dollar amount listed. Optional items will show a dollar amount that will be charged at checkout. You'll also see items listed that are digital titles that you will access through Blackboard once classes begin. You do not need to add these items to your cart. Select and add to cart each item that you need, then click Continue Checkout. After confirming the contents of your shopping cart, click Continue Checkout. Answer the following prompts according to your preference. Click Payment Options. Click Continue through the address and shipping method selections. Be sure that you are not shipping to a P.O. box. Under Payment Information, check the box for the rental agreement, then choose your payment option. The default option is credit card, but if you are only ordering course materials, you'll want to change the payment option to Charge My Account Financial Aid. Your account number is your 7-digit student ID number, and you'll need to check the box to authorize the use of your financial aid funds. When finished, click Submit Payment, and your order will be sent to the College Store for processing. If you need assistance or have further questions, you can send an email to collegestore@trcc.edu.